Woo, smells good in here, boy. Starts up. What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming to you guys with a brand new video. Let me turn the AC on. Oh my god, that stuff smells strong. Today is day 6 of Vlogmas, and today we're gonna be prepping everything for paint tomorrow. I was gonna try to paint everything today, but sadly not everything's gonna be here today, so it's just looking like gonna be tomorrow we're painting. So today I'm just pretty much just prep everything, so sand everything, get it all ready for tomorrow, just so when I come off of work tomorrow, all I have to do is paint it, coat it, clear coat it, and then get it ready for the next day, which is then gonna be just it's just gonna be putting it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the Civic out of the driveway since I won't be needing it, and I'll see you guys in the garage in just a second. Here we are in the garage and everything. This is just a mess. Oh my god, we have everything that we need to paint. It's actually in the back of the Tesla here. See what we got. I'm actually kind of sad that the paint's not coming today, I really wanted to see everything painted, but it is what it is. Got everything in here. Got some sandpaper. I have adhesion promoter, clear coat, and then primer as well. So all this is going to be done today, and then tomorrow literally just paint and clear coat will be going on. If you guys are asking why I didn't get the freaking 2K clear coat that every YouTuber gets, I don't make money like that, so I'm not getting those bottles. We're getting the cheap stuff for now. Alright chat, we got the one side skirt on the table here. As you can see, it's a little dirty. So what I did is I used some Dawn dish soap, or I'm going to use some Dawn dish soap. Use it to clean everything down, kind of just wipe it, alcohol to double clean it, and then we'll go ahead and sand it. I have no idea what I'm doing, so if you guys notice anything from today's video, please let me know by tomorrow so I can at least try to fix it. But I'm going to go ahead and get everything nice and clean, and then go ahead and attempt to sand it. So wish me luck. I'm gonna be real with you guys, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I just used soap and water to clean everything down, used alcohol to pretty much wipe everything, super clean it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and sand it, which I have over here. I have a 600 grit and then a 1000 grit. I'm gonna hit it with a 600 first, see how that goes, and kind of go from there. Alright, I got one pretty much done for the most part. I do want to go back over it and just double sand everything that I didn't get, but for the most part it looks pretty good. I got to go back and get these spots like that one right there, just kind of redo them, retouch them up, but I am going to start on the second one now, and then I will come back and hit that one. This is pretty much going to be the hard part of everything. I've had an adhesion promoter, which I'm going to spray on first. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. This is where I probably will fuck everything up, I'm not going to lie. But we're still going to do it, we don't care. I'm going to put this on, probably about 2 coats of this. Maybe just 1 to be honest with you. And then once that's a little dry, I have the primer right here. And then once the primer's set, we'll probably do maybe 2 coats of this. Let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow we can paint these, and these will be good to go in the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the adhesion promoter first. excuse the fan. I have it trying to blow air out, but don't roast me too hard, alright? I have no idea what I'm doing, but I mean, it looks better. If it was glass, I'd be okay with it, but I already did one pass of the primer, as you can see, so I'm probably gonna do either 2 or 3 passes and then let this sit overnight. I was gonna do the lip, but I might save that only because I don't have another table where I can put it on to let it settle, so I really can't. Dude, what's up with this lighting? I really can't utilize anything else. This is the only table I got that's mine, but it's fine. We're just gonna let it sit overnight, and then we'll paint it, clear it tomorrow, and then we'll probably have to let it we're probably gonna have to let it sit overnight again, and then we can finally put it on the car. Kind of sucks I don't have 2 tables. I should have bought another table. I don't have enough cardboard to make a flooring either, so yeah, we're just gonna have to do this one at a time. So the side skirt is probably gonna be a 2-step video, which I don't want to do, obviously. What I might actually do is there might be a pause in between the videos, and I might do a POV of me driving the 8 Gen because I got it out in the street right now. So I might take the 8 Gen to work tomorrow, and then when I get home tomorrow, paint clear the following day, put it on the car, and then try to move over to the lip. So you might get a little pause in the videos. I'm going to try to post as much as I can, but I don't want to bore you guys with having two-part videos of me doing the lip and the side skirts. So yeah, excuse all that, but I mean, everything's coming out good. I'm about to do the second pass right now. As you guys can see, I'm trying to cover my nose because this stuff is strong, bro. I can't lie. Especially that adhesion promoter was super strong. I don't even know where I put it, but that stuff was stupid strong. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next piece here. I'm honestly kind of sad that I can't do the lip today. It'd be so much easier if I could just do both, but it is what it is. I'm pretty sure I mentioned this. Gonna let these dry overnight. Me and Nancy are gonna go pick up some. She likes a place called Coco Cane. Oh, I think I hear her. We're gonna go pick up some drinks. I'm gonna get some popcorn chicken. But honestly, it came out pretty good.
That's good.
Only 2 passes, so the real test is gonna be tomorrow when the paint comes in. So, yeah.
What is this?
What? This is primer. So pretty much you just prime it so the paint can stick to it. So you'll let this sit overnight, let it dry. Like I said, kind of bummed out, can't do the lip, but it is what it is.
Why can't you?
Because I don't have another table.
We can do it on that dresser. It's trash.
It's been about 30 minutes, and looks pretty mint. Can't lie, can't lie. I really don't see any imperfections either. My sanding must have been pretty good, pretty good. Uh-oh. We'll ignore that. Okay. Now, we just let this dry overnight. And then what I'm probably going to do is get this video up. It's probably not going to be long. Probably be a short one. And then if I have enough time, I might do that off camera, because I really want to get the lip done. So I'm gonna get this video up for you guys, and then tomorrow we might be starting out from there. Look at our Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Why'd you stop?
I don't know the rest.